Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything about what is there in the course, and from module wise I'll tell you what is there and what all you have to see in this course and what all you get in this course. Okay, so let's get started. So the moment you log into the course, you will see contents, and then you can see multiple videos, one or two, three open videos. Okay, and this video also, what you're going to cover, that also will be free and will be available, and then you can go through. The moment you purchase the course, everything will be available for you. So starting with, you can follow the roadmap, or okay if you don't follow also, but start with the module data warehouse concept. So the moment you enter this, there are multiple chapters, and if so here multiple chapters and many more chapters will come. What is data warehouse, OLTP, data, star schema, snowflake schema, data models, types of transformation, slowly changing dimension, all these important topics I've covered. I will cover some more topics. Okay, and this is a very important document. You have to go through this document. This particular document is very important. You have to go through this document, and this document itself will solve all your theoretical questions, answer all your theoretical questions. Okay, everything is covered in this particular document. Okay, and the same document is actually available if you go to the website, and this is the website. And the moment you purchase any course, okay, the moment you purchase any course, make sure you log in. There's a login button here. Make sure you log in here, and then the course will be available. Not that if you're buying anything. Okay, so say for example, the same document which you see here, my notes. Okay, so this particular PDF notes. So if you see this particular notes, okay, when you apply Diwali coupon or something, then the price might reduce. And then after this particular buying this course, so basically this particular document is available in the course itself, so you don't have to buy anything else apart from that particular course. So all these chapters are there. Now let's go back, then let's go to module 2. So module 2 has all the videos. Okay, lot of videos, how to install Oracle, how to install MySQL, SQL, everything, and connect through dbeaver, how to install dbeaver, how to connect. And then this is a 2-hour course on SQL itself, so you can learn the SQL here itself, and analytical functions, any how to handle complex queries, and any new updates that will be there on SQL. I'll surely get those videos also. And then you'll go with practice. So if you have seen my videos, then well and good. If not, all these videos basically cover around 100 plus SQL queries, and more than that is available in this particular, okay, zip file. So let me open this zip file. So okay, see here, when I open the zip file, this zip file basically has all the SQLs. So what you can do is you can open Visual Studio Code. So this is a zip file. So I'll just go to downloads, extract this zip file. So right click and extract all. Okay, let's extract here, and this is the zip file. Okay, I have to extract this particular zip file. Okay, and then I can open this particular the queries. Full code is available, whatever is covered in this particular two. And then this is basically, so this has all the questions, all the 250 questions and their answers, everything is covered in this particular 250 queries. Okay, and this without answers. Okay, without answers for you to practice, and the DDL and DMLs are also available. Insert statement, create statement, everything is available here. Okay, so basically this is the zip file that you'll have to use to solve all the 250 queries. Okay, let's move on to ETL manual testing. Okay, so this, how to do manual testing. So this is a document which you can refer, which speaks about Informatica and talent, and what are the main components, what are the main screens that will help you to answer any question that is asked in the interview. So that is more than enough. And then you can start with the ETL testing, manual testing, how to do database versus database, table versus table, Excel validation, all this manual testing. This helps you to answer the question. So in the in interviews they might ask questions, so you can answer those questions with reference to these videos itself. Okay, and then manual testing is complete, and after manual testing you can learn little Unix command. So here 2 videos are there. So if you want to practice, you can practice on PowerShell also. Say for example, we have PowerShell, right? You can install PowerShell. So ls, okay, pwd ls clear screen. So some of the commands work on this PowerShell itself, okay, on Windows, and on Mac you can use the terminal and practice some of the commands. Most of the commands should work, and if something is not working, it's okay, totally okay. If you know these commands, that is more than enough for you to crack the interview. Okay, on Unix it's not very important, but it's good to know. Then start with the automation part. If you're from ETL testing and you have learned the ETL testing concepts, manual testing, SQL, and then you start with the automation part. Okay, this is introduction. Then we have pandas and Spark. Okay, these are very important. So then you can go with the introduction to Python. Introduction to automation. So why automation is important? Okay, ETL automation, file databases, Spark setup, now IDEs we have covered, VS Code we have covered, PyCharm. Okay, we have used Jupyter notebooks, and we have used Google Colab. These are some of the tools that I have covered here. In the later part, we have covered Databricks also. Databricks, this is not database, this is Databricks, is what I'm saying. Databricks, Azure, GCP, all that we have covered in the course. And then you can refer this particular automation document also. Okay, so this automation document is around what, 40-50 pages, and more things will be added, okay, as and when we learn. So a lot of things are there in this particular document. So in this video, whatever I am coming, and the subsequent chapters also, whatever I am coming, everything is covered in this particular document also. Okay, so watch the video, refer the document, and practice. That is what is required. Okay, then after the introduction, then you can start with pandas. Okay, pandas and then Spark. Okay, and Spark, there is a lot of to set up. So I have covered in the video, but if you're not able to set up, you can actually practice on Databricks, which again I have covered in the next part also, and I'll add the same chapter in this Spark also. So pandas, start with what all files and everything. Okay, so pandas operation, SQL operations, functions, all this file read, file write, everything is I have covered in this pandas. Connecting with MS SQL, PostgreSQL, everything I have covered in this particular, and more databases when I cover, I'll add more chapters in this particular module also. Okay, then what do you say? For example, all the code that I have covered in this is there in this particular zip file. Say for example, let me open this, and after the download is complete, let me open that particular folder. Okay, let me open this folder, and then let me rename this particular as pandas code. Okay, and then let me extract all, and extract the same is the same extract and all. You can do it, but you can do it in your MacBook also. If you're using Mac, or if you're using Windows, just right click and extract. Okay, so it will take some time to extract because it has lots and lots of files. Okay, so let me just extract this, and then it will be very easy for me to work. And say for example, you can open VS Code, and then you can go here, open a folder, and go to the downloads page where you downloaded the particular zip file, and open. See, this I can do like this, or I'll tell you one more way. Now I have this zip and this folder. So this is a zip file.zip folder. Right click and show more options. Open with code. That's it. So open with VS Code. That's it. Okay, so all these codes are available. So these are basic codes, and all the files, everything is here. So if you see, all the files, input, output, test data, everything is available. Okay, everything is available in this particular zip code, and the moment you those, then you can run. Okay, so this is how the program will run. If at all you get an error, just take that error and do a chat GPT, you'll get the answer. Okay, and how to use AI, how to use chat GPT also, I have covered in gold videos. Okay, so this is how you can open the code, any chapter, any module that you go and you see this code, just just download that zip file, open in VS Code, and you extract, basically download the zip file, extract the zip file, and open in VS Code. Now pandas is over. Similarly with Spark, all these chapters are there, and this particular code is also available. Just download the zip file, extract the zip file, and right click and open as in VS Code. Okay, all the setup, everything is I've covered in Spark. Okay, and then the first project here, all the videos are there. And pandas, how to automate in pandas, there is a separate zip file. For Spark, there is a separate zip file. Okay, so Pandas is basically Python plus pandas, okay, and then Python plus Spark. This Python plus Spark becomes PySpark. So like this, I've covered both pandas, Python pandas, and Python Spark, which is PySpark. Okay, Python pandas and PySpark, both I've covered. So that way, so basically, if you want only pandas full automation, you can use this and practice. And if you want to learn Spark, you can use this and practice. Okay, I've made it so convenient that you can just learn pandas and then give interviews, or you can just learn Spark and then give it interviews. So basically, a lot of things I've covered Spark, and then I'll same with MSQL also. This is there, and the code also. You can see the code and write the code, or else I'll give you the code again zip file. Then later part we have Airflow. The Airflow tutorial in detail. I have mentioned how to run the DAG, which is there in Airflow, source diagram mapping, then manual testing. And see, any project that I've covered, I first covered the manual testing part and then the automation testing part. Okay, so and then the frameworks. Okay, so make sure you watch all the videos, practice, and then see a lot of things I've covered in the automation code. Automation code is also there. The project setup, because Airflow I'm using Docker. So how to install Docker, all that also is I've covered in these videos. So nothing that you will totally learn something new and you separately have to go to some other course and go to watch videos, YouTube videos or something. Everything is covered in this particular course, so you don't have to worry at all. And then Azure, since there is nothing that you can do, all the code also I have mentioned in this particular videos only. So make sure you watch the video and write the code. Okay, about Azure project architecture, everything I have covered in this particular. And similarly, now Azure is there. Similarly, AWS and GCP, everything else will also be coming. Okay, Databricks, Snowflake, a lot of things I've already planned. Some of them I've recorded. I just need to edit and post it here. Okay, a lot more. Any new technology, how to use AI, everything I've covered. Okay, then lastly, there is gold videos, which is very important. So all these gold videos are there. In this video itself, explained about my resume. Okay, explain my resume and how to make a resume. So all the templates, there are multiple 4 to 5 templates. Around 5 templates are there. Around 5 templates are there in this particular resume template zip. Just download the zip, extract the zip file, and then use that particular resume and change according to your experience, your companies, your work, your degree. Change those details. You just don't copy paste everything. Okay, there are multiple things, even points I have mentioned in a particular different text file. So use those points and use ChatGPT to paraphrase and make a separate resume. Okay, just use this, watch this video, create your resume. And if you want to go through what is test plan, test strategy, test case document, this has a lot of real time test plan, test case documents, which I created personally for multiple clients and multiple. So all this is explained. So explain your project, how to explain, how to tell me about yourself, important topics, test case design, everything I've covered in these gold videos. And a lot more scenarios also I'll cover in this particular gold videos. A lot more things will be coming. So a lot more videos will be added to this particular course. So this is not it. So, and moment I start adding more content, the price of this course will be increasing. So I would recommend you please buy the course as soon as possible. So if you go to the website, okay, there's a Deepavali offer which is going on. If you go to the website, open the course, there is the Deepavali offer going on. Just apply the Deepavali offer. Price will reduce, and maybe this money back guarantee. If you don't want the money back guarantee, just remove. No, I don't want money back guarantee. But if you want, you can add this. Okay, money back guarantee 15 days. If you're you're not liking the course, your money back guarantee, the token money. Say for example, I add. So say 1700 is added. Okay, now this 1700. So this 1700 is my loss. Rest, whatever amount you pay, everything will be refunded if you don't like the course. Okay, but the condition is you have to watch the course at least, say 70-80% of the course you have to complete, and then you can say, oh, this is not so good and I want to drop. So all your money will be refunded. Okay, so this is the money back guarantee. And just check out the course. And if you have any doubts, anyway, the moment you subscribe to the course, then the moment you purchase the course, go here, click on login, give the org code is this, give your mobile number, you will get the OTP and log into the website. You will see the course, go through the course. Anything that you buy on my website, you have to log into the website and then get to see the course, and you can go in and study. Okay, that is it, guys. So subscribe to the course and make the best use of this course and get 100, 200, 250%, 300% of hike in your career and jump the career. I will personally guide you to get your dream job, to get your dream salary. Okay, I'm there with you throughout the journey. Don't forget that. Okay, we have doubt sessions, we have a lot of motivation in the group, and you will do it. Okay, let's see you in the course, in the live sessions.